Arrive in style with this 2009 Mini Cooper hardtop. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: pass-through rear seat, electronic stability control, vehicle anti-theft system, rear spoiler, power driver mirror, auxiliary PWR outlet, and 4-wheel ABS. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.